Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can add a fade effect to your background images and photos on Google Slides. So let's go with a presentation like that here. So select the page of your Google Slides presentation like that one here, and as you can see I have a pretty nice photo like this in the background, and now I would like to add a fade effect to it. So this is how you can do it. Simply left click on the background image, and after that right click and select format options from that drop down menu. That is going to open up these format options here to the right. So from that menu below, simply select adjustments, and from that menu below, select opacity and simply move the slider here from left to right to adjust the given photo's opacity, just like that. And if I move that slider to the very left, just like that, and apply opacity like, let's say 10%, it will apply a pretty nice fade effect to that image or photo. And you can repeat the same process to each element of your slides presentations, guys. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.